How to get Snapchat Plus for free. In today's video, I'll show you how to get Snapchat Plus for free legally and without any hacks or scam. So make sure to watch till the end so you don't miss any steps. So let's get started. Snapchat Plus is a premium subscription that unlocks exclusive features like custom app icons, story rewatch count, friend solar system, priority story replies, and much more. Normally costs $0.94 per month, but today I'll show you how to get it for free. The official and safest way to get Snapchat Plus for free is by using Snapchat's free trial. Open the Snapchat app, tap on your profile icon at the top. To the settings, tap the Snapchat Plus banner at the top and you'll see an option for a 7-day free trial. Simply click on Next. Here you can simply find your free trial. Sometimes you can even get 30 days for new users. Just tap on Start Free Trial and enjoy your Snapchat Plus features. You can just cancel before the trial ends to avoid charges. But if you've already used your Snapchat Plus free trial, you can simply create a new account and join the free trial again. And that's it. Now you know how to get Snapchat Plus for free legally.